looking to learn Arabic calligraphy in the Nastaliq and Farsi script, then this video is for you. Hey everybody, this is Muhammad Harun from Canvas Wonders, helping you create something worth wonders today. For those of you that don't know who I am and are new here, I'm an Arabic calligrapher and a self-taught graphic designer. I help people beautify their homes with Arabic calligraphic artworks, and here on YouTube, I help people learn calligraphy with useful tips and tutorials. If that's something that interests you, then make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon not to miss another video. In this tutorial, we will learn the direction of the nib in the Nasta'liq script and how to write an Alif and Mad. But before we get started, I just wanted to mention a dua I forgot to pray at the beginning of this Arabic calligraphy course. I think it is important to share it with you, as my teachers would make us students recite this dua before we started a new subject. The dua is as follows: Rabbi yassir, Rabbi yassir, wa la tu'assir, wa la tu'assir, wa tammim bil khair. I'm going to read it all together now. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir wa tammim bil khair. And the translation for this is, "Oh my Lord, make it easy for me and don't make it hard, and help me complete it with ease." So now that we have prayed this dua, let's get started.
Let's start by learning the direction of the nib. To illustrate this clearly, I will be drawing a 4 cm square and marking each centimeter at the bottom. This line here is at a 90-degree angle. If you half the square, you will get a 45-degree angle. If you half the space between the above two spaces like this, you will be left with 65 degrees. And finally, if you half it one last time, you are left with 75 degrees. These are the 4 nib directions used in the Nasta'liq calligraphy script. Now that we have learned the 4 directions of the nib, we can use these when creating each letter. Let's make an Alif. Make sure you have the tools you need, including the manuscript calligraphy pen and the Arabic Calligraphy Wonder Workbook printed out. This can be purchased as a digital download from my website. Check the link in the description below. You can either write directly on the page, or you could use tracing paper. Learning Arabic calligraphy using the Wonder Workbook has been made easy, as the lines are pre-drawn and measured. All you have to do is write within the letter to practice. Alif is measured in 3 nib lengths or units. It can stretch up to 5 units depending on your composition. Here, I'm practicing how to write in between the alif. Look carefully how I twist and turn the nib. Take your time. There is no rush. Write each stroke with concentration and observe the movement of the pen on paper and how the ink flows. If you are struggling to keep your alif upright, draw a straight line and then write the alif next to it for support. There are 3 points to an alif. This one, and this is the second one, and then the bottom one. Let's learn how to create a mud. The angle of the nib will be at 65 degrees. The mud is scripted in 2 strokes. The first stroke, you keep the nib at the same angle throughout the stroke. The second stroke changes the direction using the bottom part of the nib. The measurement of a mud is 2 units in height and about 4.5 in length. That's the end of today's lesson.
I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Question of the day. How much time are you dedicating to learn Arabic calligraphy? 30 minutes? 1 hour a week? Let me know in the comment section below so I can make more videos around this. Like if you like this video, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and check out the other videos I have on this channel, because I'm sure they'll bring you a lot of value. Thank you so much for watching this video, and as always, may peace be with you.